So I bought this portable charger and I think it is pretty smart design, and I'll tell you why. One, the plug is right on it. You just go like that and you plug it in. You don't have to worry about where your charging cable is, which I really like. And also, when you want to use this to charge your devices, it has the devices built into it right here that just fit right on the side. So you don't have to worry about bringing the portable charger and bringing the cord to charge this up and bringing the cord to plug into your device. It's all just in one really easy, convenient place, which I really, really love. Now, I bought this specifically to charge my Chromebook. I wasn't sure if it would work. I brought it home, plugged it into my Chromebook, and a warning comes up saying this is a low wattage charger. It may not be able to charge this device while it's on, meaning my Chromebook, but I'm telling you, I use it all the time. I plug this in while my Chromebook is on, while I'm using it, and this thing charges it with no problem. So if you're trying to charge even pretty big devices like a Chromebook, this thing, for me at least, works very well. I'm very happy with it, and I would definitely recommend it.